Welcome back to the Ultra 4 USA Project X Rage on the Rocks. We are about to kick off the 4900 Pro Modified class with a fan favorite of Kyle Cheney. I see right behind him is Jay Shaw's car. That is Cash Lee Croy. We're probably less than 30 seconds away from the green flag flying here. Green live racing here in Potawatomi Turn 1 here in Forest County. Stretches this little kicker, and then we'll see how hard he attacks the rocks. He does not check up at all. He's a fan favorite here in Crandon. We've seen him racing with Champ off and on all weekend, but now it's all about Ultra 4 US. Ashley Corey high on his heels, and that is Corey. No, that's Tyler Gibbs going for the pass. Rubbing is racing. He gets a little crossed up. Violent it is, and look, that's Cash Lee Croy, physical second. This is Cash Lee Croy's first ever Ultra 4 USA, and none other better to do it here at the Big House in Crandon, Wisconsin. He races with us in Mid-America Outdoors quite a bit.
Yeah, he's doing a great job there. So our current top three is Kyle Cheney, Cash LaCroix, and Tyler Gibbs.
And there's our physical race leader, but look, a right front flat tire is going down. Is he gonna be able to save the car? Could Cash Lee Croy in his debut race, he is on Kyle Cheney.
On the rugged rhythm section, Cash LaCroix goes to the outside. Oh, look at this as well.
There's Tyler Rimreed getting lapped, and it is a race between Kyle Cheney and Cash Lee Croy. Cash Lee Croy on the inside of this bank turn. So Cash Lee Croy is our new overall leader of this race. Cash Lee Croy and Jay Shaw's Adventure Lifestyle Machine makes the pass and is our new physical race leader here in the Pro Modified class.
Yeah, that car that Cash LaCroix is driving is no stranger to being at the front of races.
And let's talk about this. That is Kyle Cheney's old car. That car has won King of the Hammers out there.
Now, well, let's talk about this. He was actually on track earlier and actually ran an entire race with a flat tire. We saw that yesterday. We also saw Cash LaCroix can finish a race on 2 flat tires. So it is possible to do. It's just not advisable to do it.
But Cash Lee Croy in his debut race with Ultra 4 USA here at the... and he loses a right rear tire. Our race leader as it bounces over one of our cameramen. Look how far that's going. So Cash Lee Croy just lost a right rear tire. And look at the sparks flying in the frantic boulders right in front of the grandstands. And here is an AMSOIL replay as that tire falls off. And look how close that camera guy didn't have a clue it was coming. We got lucky with that one.
We did indeed. Now, Cash LaCroix is a rock expert, but I think this is probably beyond his wizardry to be able to bring this car all the way around. And I think it's only a matter of time until we see this car pull off to the side of the track.
And look at that. That's going to be, I don't know if he's going to be able to put a tire on that. I think that hub is going to be way too damaged. Is he going to be able to make it up the rock section without a right rear tire? Well, I believe he's going to get stuck right here.
Yeah.
And yeah, it ain't good. Cash Lee Croy, I think his race is over. Tough break.
We come